In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now on your account, go ahead and head over to the updates section. Click on the updates button, and here go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, the three horizontal dots, and select create channel. Now you can create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel, people can see your channel, and you're responsible for your channel. Now click on the continue button to continue creating a channel. And here you'll need to enter the channel name that you have for your channel. Now your channel will be created. Now you can share this channel to your status to be able to make your channel accessible for anyone who wants to join your channel. And that's how you can simply create a channel on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.